Did you know that most human skills are being replaced by AI? From solving problems to performing repetitive mental or physical tasks, AI is taking over many skill-based activities. But life skills are those skills that AI can never replace in humans, and it is essential to develop and nurture them. If you are a student, a working professional, a parent, or no matter what you do, this video is for you. It is for you to master certain skills that AI can never replace. In this video, you will understand what life skills are and which skill is the most important to stay fit in the age of AI. According to the World Health Organization, the top 10 life skills are self-awareness, empathy, critical thinking, creative thinking, decision-making, problem-solving, effective communication, interpersonal relationship skills, coping with stress, coping with emotions. In this video, we will not discuss all these skills in detail. Instead, we will focus on the most basic life skill, self-awareness, and how to improve it. Self-awareness is about recognizing your feelings, strengths, and weaknesses. You may already be aware of your feelings, strengths, and weaknesses. However, if you are not consistently self-aware, you need to reflect on yourself. If you want consistency in self-awareness, you need to be attentive, and you must learn how to be attentive. For decades, we have been told to pay attention. But did anyone ever teach us how to be attentive? Attention is the most basic skill behind all life skills. Like any other skill, attention improves with practice. And when practice becomes a habit, mastery follows. The first step to improving attention is to notice when your attention wanders and gently bring it back. For example, imagine you are reading a book and suddenly your mind triggers a craving for food. Your attention shifts from the book to the thought of eating. This happens to almost everyone. But if you want to be more focused and more self-aware, you must train yourself to bring attention back and learn how to avoid distractions. Now here is an important question. Why do we get distracted so often? It is because we are using the most sophisticated machine on this planet without its operating manual. That machine is the human mind. In the next video, the working model of the mind is explained in a very simple way so that you can understand its operating manual and apply it in your life through self-introspection. So let's move to the next video and learn how the mind triggers our actions. Thank you for watching.